Your connection with nature is a reflection of how you care for yourself. Nature understands you, your needs, your beauty, the real you. It nurtures you gently, working in harmony to keep your skin pure and radiant. Ayurveda fills that care in every bottle, bringing you the power of herbs for skin that glows from within. Ayurveda, pure, natural, you.